What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day today. In this video, we're going to be installing the a front lip here on the WRX. And as you may know, those of you who are up to date on the channel here, you know that this car was recently, or not recently, but it was ran into in a parking lot here. I have some photos I throw up on the screen, but basically what happened was the bumper got crunched and the front lip was not savable. That's why we got basically the exact same one. So we got the same front lip because I really like the style of it. And eventually here we're going to be throwing a splitter underneath it to match up more of the body kit here. Or lip kit. It's not really a body kit, but I just call it body kit for ease of sentences, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, got a lip here. Gonna put it on the car today. Probably not washing it, even though I kind of want to, just because it's way too cold to be doing that. But appreciate all the likes and subscribers. I see we got a bunch of new ones here. So appreciate you guys for hitting that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. The J-Pipe Root video did very well, so thank you guys so much for showing your support on that. And yeah, this is the lip from Icon Motorsports. Got off of Amazon. It was like 160 bucks, so I'll throw that in the description if you guys want to go ahead and buy it. I've already had the exact same lip on here before, and if you guys like it, you can go check it out. I know it's going to fit great. It's going to take me all of 5 minutes to install. Already got the car up in the air, as you can see. But yeah, let's hop right into it here. Underneath the car here, there's going to be small holes like that, and then there's going to be big holes in the lip, I should say. And so with the small holes, you're just going to put in the provided screws, the provided hardware, and then on the big holes, there's going to be push tabs underneath the bumper here that you're going to remove, and then put the lip basically on the car, and then reinstall those same clips in those holes. It looks like there's about 6 of these tabs you have to remove and reinstall, and then you have 3 and 4, and then you have about 6 of the screws, the provided hardware that go in this thing as well. So this thing is going to be pretty sturdy. No joke about that. Alright, now that you have all those clips set, you're at the stage to where you can put the lip underneath here, put all the clips in, and then you can start putting your little screws in there. Pretty straightforward, honestly, for a lip. Probably the easiest lip I will ever install my whole career. What? Done wrestling with that side. On to the next. Alrighty. So after you've just got done arm wrestling a bear, otherwise known as those bottom bumper clips, you have all these screws here. You have these screws without the little washer things on them. Yeah, these 3 screws go for each of these 3 fins there. They just go up underneath there and screw in. Everywhere else gets these guys. These ones have little washers on them. So you just grab your little drill or impact or whatever you got, and you screw them in. They're basically self-tappers. They're just screws, okay? Nothing special about them. They're just black screws. So go ahead and screw them in, and then your lip install is virtually done. It's looking like this already, looking pretty good. Looks exactly how it was from the other time. This is from a 17. This is a 20. This lip is for 17, I guess. But I mean, you could argue these corners, but it looks fairly good without you don't even really notice it that much, to be honest, but hey, it looks good. All right, with those first 3 in, now we move on to the ones with the washers. Alrighty, that is the lip. All screws and tabs in, fully installed on the WRX. Looking pretty good, actually. About the same as last time. And yeah, I'd say it turned out pretty good. We're gonna dump the car now, and then get some cinematics here, and everything is gonna be nice and peachy. Alrighty guys, that will wrap it up for today's video. No, it was a little bit of a short one, but lips don't take that long to install, so we'll leave it at that. Lip is looking awesome. There's way more to come, way more content coming your way with the WRX here behind me. I may even find some more cars review here coming up shortly, but yeah, this thing is sitting me again. I can't wait to switch out those headlights, but appreciate you guys all coming back here and watching the videos, hitting that subscribe button. Really means a lot to me. And yeah, see you in the next one. Later.